वेलकम टू यू इन आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स शिरोडा. आणि अजूनही तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसाल तर नक्कीच आणि आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका, जेणेकरून नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला लगेचच मिळतील. ओके, सो लिसन स्टुडंट्स, लास्ट टाइम I have taken your sentences practice and now I will ask you Marathi questions and you have to answer it. Okay, last video you have given your good presentation, but now I want best presentation from you. Got it? Understood? So now I will ask you Marathi questions and you have to answer it. Okay, 1 2 3 start. I want speed and grammatically perfection. Yes, first ती गाणं गाते का?
Does she sing a song?
Yes. ती गाणं कधी गाते?
When does she sing a song?
तिने गाणं गायलं का?
Did she sing a song?
तिने गाणं कधी गायलं?
When did she sing a song?
ती गाणं का गात नाही?
Why doesn't she sing a song?
तो गाणं त्याने गाणं का गायलं नाही?
Why didn't he sing a song?
ती गाणं का म्हणणार?
Why will she sing a song?
ती गाणं गाणार का?
Will she sing a song?
ती गाणं कधी गात आहे?
When is she singing a song?
तो गाणं का गात होता?
Why was he singing a song? When was he singing a song?
तिने गाणं का म्हटलेलं, का गायलेलं आहे?
Why have she sung a song? Why has she sung a song?
तिने गाणं का गायलेलं होतं?
Why had she sung a song?
तो गाणं कसा गात होता?
How was she singing a song? How was he singing a song?
Artik, you also give answer. Okay. ती गाणं कशी म्हणते?
How does she sing a song?
तुला गाणं आवडलं का?
Did you like song?
तुला गाणं का आवडलं? तुला गाणं का आवडलं?
I like to.
आवडलं.
Why did you like this song?
Why did you? आवडलं. नेक्स्ट सिंग. ती पुस्तक वाचते का?
Does she read a book?
ती पुस्तक का वाचते?
Why does she read a book?
त्याने पुस्तक कधी वाचले?
When did she read a book? When did he read a book?
तिने पुस्तक का वाचले नाही?
Why didn't she sing a song?
तिने पुस्तक का वाचले नाही?
Why didn't she read a book?
तो पुस्तक का वाचत नाही?
Why doesn't he read a book?
ती पुस्तक कसं वाचणार? ती पुस्तक कसं वाचणार?
How will she read a book?
तिने पुस्तक कधी वाचलेले होते?
When had she read a book?
तिने पुस्तक का वाचलेले होते?
Why had she read a book?
ती पुस्तक वाचत आहे का?
Did she read a book? Is she reading a book?
ते पुस्तक वाचत होते का? ते पुस्तक वाचत होते का?
They were
they reading book?
नेक्स्ट तिने पुस्तक का घेतले?
Why did she take a book?
त्याने पुस्तक का दिले?
Why did he give a book?
तो पुस्तक का वाचत नाही?
Why doesn't she read a book? Why doesn't he read a book?
तिने पुस्तक का वाचले नाही?
Why? Why didn't she read a book?
So Karthik is here new learner, so he is taking time to answer it. So but don't fear, you have to answer it, okay, without fear. Got it? Yeah, okay. Next, ती पाणी कशी पिते?
How does she drink water?
तो पाणी पितो का?
Does she drink water? Does she drink water? Does he drink water?
ती पाणी का पिते?
Why does she drink water?
तिने पाणी पिले का?
Did she drink water?
त्याने पाणी का दिले नाही?
Why didn't he take give water? Why didn't he give water?
तो पाणी का देत नाही?
Why doesn't he give water?
ती पाणी मागत आहे का? मागणे मीन्स डिमांड. ती पाणी मागत आहे का?
Does she demand water?
मागत आहे का?
Is she demand water?
Was she demanding water?
Is she demand water?
Is she demanding water?
तिने पाणी का फेकलेलं होतं?
Why had she thrown a water? Why had she thrown water?
तिने पाणी ती पाणी का आणत आहे?
Why is she bringing water?
तिने विचार केला का?
Did she think?
ती पुस्तक का वाचते?
Why does she read a book?
तिने प्रश्न का लिहिला?
Why did she write a question?
तिने प्रश्न का लिहिला नाही?
Why didn't she write question?
ती प्रश्न वाचत आहे का?
Is she reading a question?
तो प्रश्न का विचारत होता?
Why was he reading? Why was he asking a question?
तिने प्रश्न का विचारला?
Why did she ask a question?
ती प्रश्न दाखवते का?
डच्ची शो क्वेश्चन.
ती प्रश्न का सांगत आहे?
Why is she
Why is she telling a question?
तू प्रश्न का विचारत होती? तू प्रश्न का विचारत होती?
why were you asking a question?
तिने प्रश्न कधी विचारलेला होता?
When had she asked question?
नेक्स्ट तू गाणे ऐकले का?
Do you
ऐकले का?
did you listen song?
तू गाणे कधी ऐकले?
When did you listen a song?
ती गाणे ऐकत आहे का?
Is she listening a song?
तिने गाणे का ऐकले नाही? तिने गाणे का ऐकलं नाही?
Why didn't she listen song?
ओके. तो गाणे का ऐकत नाही?
Why does he listen song?
तो गाणे का ऐकत नाही?
Why doesn't she listen song? Why doesn't he listen a song?
Why doesn't? ती गाणे कधी ऐकणार?
When will she listen a song?
तिने विचार केलेला आहे का? विचार केलेला आहे.
Had she thinking? Had she thought?
ती उत्तर विसरली का? लेट टू गिव्ह आन्सर. दॅट बॉय विल गिव्ह आन्सर. ती उत्तर विसरली का?
Did she forget? Did she forget song?
आन्सर.
Did she forget answer?
ती उत्तर कधी विसरली?
When did she forget answer?
ती उत्तर का विसरली?
Why did she forget answer?
तिने पाणीपुरी खाल्ली का? तिने पाणीपुरी खाल्ली का?
Did she eat a pani puri?
तिने पाणीपुरी कधी खाल्ली?
When did she eat pani puri?
ती पाणीपुरी खाणार का?
Will she eat pani puri?
तो पाणीपुरी कधी खाणार?
When will he eat pani puri?
तुला पाणीपुरी आवडते का?
Do you like pani puri?
तिला पाणीपुरी का आवडते?
Why does she like pani puri?
तिने किती वेळा पाणीपुरी खाल्लेली आहे? तिने किती वेळा पाणीपुरी खाल्लेली आहे?
How many times had she ate a pani puri? Eaten a pani puri?
Okay, you have given your best here, but now also I want best presentation from you. Okay, you are trying your best and you are making some mistakes. Got it? I don't want these mistakes again. And Karthik is new learner here. Okay, and that's why he couldn't give answer in speed. But I know he can talk well. He can translate also well. But he will take time to give translation fast. Got it? Okay, you don't worry, don't fear. Okay, in next video you have to answer it in speed. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.